Okay, showcase assessment. We have a band on stage, awaiting sound check, and we have a band as the sound technicians providing not just lighting but front of house and monitor mix. So guys, if you'd like to go through, talk them through the process of sound check.
Sam, can you play a bit of drums for us, please? Yeah, that's fine. Is that okay for you though? Great. Sounds good. Ellie, ukulele. If you want to keep playing your ukulele,
6.
I think it's got those play the ukulele. What is it?
Sounds like we might have a problem with the DI box. Move on and I'll give her a different lead.
Okay.
That's really good at this.
Lewis, would you mind playing your guitar for us, please?
Yeah.
Is it tuned this time? Thank you.
The bass is really loud. Can you turn it down a bit on your...
Yeah, sorry, it's quite loud.
That's alright. That's better. Can you hear yourself alright? And can everyone else hear him? Good.
Alfie! Hi, how you doing?
Good.
How you doing? Can you just play a bit for us? How's the level?
Yeah,
Is it coming through the monitor right
that's not.
Is it the right?
For the ukulele.
Okay, you can.
6 again.
Amy! No, not Amy, Ellie! Hi, sweetie! Can you just play a bit for us? No, no. Sorry!
No,
Is that good level?
can we get a bit of, like, guitar and ukulele? Right, that's good. Can you guys all hear each other? Can you all hear each other all right? Amy, can you do some singing, please?
Cradle me, oh cradle you, open your heart, put in shapes just for your eyes, so it
Does that sound good for all of you? Awesome. Would you like any effects? Okay.
Can you turn it down?
What are we turning down?
Nothing. I was
Can you, like,
Check. Hello. My name's Alvin. Ellie, calm down.
is that a good level?
Yeah, that's fine.
Can you do some singing for us?
No. I'll save it for the weekend.
Lovely. Right, is that good for everyone? Everyone okay?
Can we see some thumbs up, please?
Can you guys do like half a song or like 10 seconds or something, please? Thank you.
So, Hope, what are you doing out here?
I'm just listening to how all the bits have been put together, see if there's any like misplacement with all the
Ask what you're doing out here.
We're checking to make sure it all sounds right for the audience. Hey guys, please stop filming, please. Thank you. Are you guys happy with that?
Yeah.
Is there anything at all that you guys want changed?
Can I turn this up a little bit? Just in the solo. No, just like when it gets to the solo.
Yeah.
Wait, because you don't want to hear this.
Could we have on whenever you feel it's used, could we have a tiny, is it called reverb?
Yeah.
When it, just to make it sound a little bit dreamy.
On what?
Yeah.
On the vocals.
On the vocals, yeah.
Maybe just on
Do you guys have any more material?
Nice one, mate.
Do you want to test that vocal with a reverb?
We can do that, yeah.
We have to like change the instruments because this is
To be fair, I'm well up for it later on.
I'll do this instead of bass.
Amy, guys, hang on. Amy, would you mind talking into your mic so we can test the reverb, please?
Hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello. Hello.
Keep going.
Hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello.
Do you like that?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, good. Cool.
One of the lights isn't there.
Number 3, because it only goes up to 5.
Oh.
5 and 3 aren't working.
Okay, we'll look at that later.
Yeah, no, trust me.
Okay, everybody ready to do the performance? Do you guys want to leave the stage and walk back on, or are you happy to stay where you are? Okay, you guys happy? Let's bring in our A&R executives.
Maybe we should walk up the stage.
A&R team, would you like to come in now and come and take a seat?
Back to the middle chair, but I just need to get some deodorant first.
Okay, welcome industry executives to City of Oxford College, which is fondly being seen as Oxford's equivalent to the Brit School. Okay, band, if you'd like to take to the stage, let's get this show going. I'll leave it for you if you want to introduce yourselves.
What genre are you?
I'd say we're quite indie.
Blimey.
I got a wedgie, I didn't want you to get on camera.
We going now? we
What
are
are you talking about at the Okay, sound crew, just 2 mics up, no effects, please. You're done. Keep some of the stage lights up. If you guys want to take your instruments off, let's have the A&R panel with a mic. It should be live, yeah. Pass it around. Okay, A&R panel. Whoever wants to start with the questions.
That was a really good performance. Well done, guys. I've got a first question. What music do you think that people should be listening to right now?
I'd say everything and anything, really. Whatever floats your boat, really.
Embracing individuality.
Yeah, I feel like everyone's different in the music they like and everything, really. So,
Okay, thanks.
I heard from an unknown source that that's the only song you've been playing. Why is that?
We take our time on it, and we've got a big show coming up, which we're going to surprise a lot of people who are starting to get a bit tired of this song, and we've got a lot of other songs that we're going to pull out the bag. And as you heard then, that song was pretty spot on. So. Okay.
Hey guys, so I want to ask you, without any form of management, where do you see your band in 5 years' time, and how will you progress without someone's guidance?
I think we get pretty far, but I think you just need to make a lot of friends, and you just.
Like, what will you do to try and progress? Like,
make a lot of friends, and spend a lot of time and effort and money on advertising stuff ourselves, and the social needs and stuff.
Get as much experience.
Yeah, and just ask for guidance. Don't be afraid to ask and stuff. So, yeah.
Thank you.
What's your target audience?
Good question. Really, I don't think we really have it. Probably people our age, probably more millennial, as a target audience, really. Yeah. Cool. Because I just feel like it suits our music. We're not really into.
But you think anyone could listen to it? Or?
I mean, it depends on who you are, doesn't it?
Cool.
Depends on if it floats your boat. We're all very chilled out here.
Hi.
Hello.
What do you do that no one else does?
We wear laminates on stage.
Musically wise?
Musically wise, I think that Alfie would like to take over on this question because he just was going to say something.
Do you want to? You have an answer.
Well, I think our music's more individual in comparison to other people's. Yeah, we're a bit leaning back. Yeah, we're far more relaxed than other bands on stage. I think, you're right. And so I think we connect more as a band with our audience as well, in comparison to other people.
Yeah. We also play a lot of different style songs, which you'll find out again at this huge gig that we've got coming up.
What if we don't go? It's your loss.
Yeah. I can slip you in, Corey. I guess this.
Free entry.
Get him engaged.
I like
Could you tell us about formation, like how you met and stuff?
We met through, we're all doing this course actually at City Roxton College, music, whatever it's called, I don't know. But we all met there. We're in love with music and it turns out we all have a lot of the same interests and influences and stuff. And
Was that like a long time ago? Was it when you started?
yeah, way back.
It feels like a long time ago.
September? Yeah, long time ago. Yeah.
Do you guys have an image? What's your white t-shirt?
Yeah, today we like to go, we have a little bit of style.
I mean, does it change per show?
Yeah.
Or like, do you have like one set image, or are you all sort of like individually like?
Me and Elliot always
We're always
matching from the waist down.
That's cute. That's cool. Is there any relationship happening in that?
No, that's just some sort of weird telepathic thing that we've got going on.
We might go off and do a duo.
Yeah.
One leaves the band.
Until the end, about that.
Excuse me. Nice. Okay, let's go.
As a band. Oh.
What do you think makes you marketable as a band?
I think that we're very clean cut, but at the same time we're different. You know, I just feel like we can channel different, different feelings to a genre that's already quite big. So I feel like indie rock and stuff is kind of what we're going for, and I feel like we can do that, but then put our own twist on it, which is more chilled out.
Rock and stroll.
I've got a question for Danny Zuko. Here we go. As a drummer, how would you feel if once, as your band started progressing, someone had asked you to be a session drummer for their band and other bands, which ultimately ends up with you won't be able to spend as much time with these guys rehearsing and things like that. Well, how would you take in that sort of situation?
Well, I prioritise more about the band, really. I mean, if somebody offered me a deal to make groups for them or like parts for certain songs, I feel like depends on. I mean, like if you're like if I'm getting paid, then it could actually benefit the band because therefore we could then buy more things than support the band.
Yeah, but if you're not there a lot of time to be with the band, is a large amount of money more important to you than your loyalty to the band?
Well, it depends though, because I'm still being loyal to the band, but if I'm getting money for the band, it can then help them like get higher. progress more.
Okay. I like your loyalty, Danny. Alright. Thank you.
Any other questions? Are we done? Great, thank you. Big round of applause for each other. Thank you very much.
Is that a deal, then?
Yeah, last, in fact, just very quickly, any of you guys interested to pursue this act further at all?
You know what? I really like your product and I want to invest. I'm in.
Yes.
Great, you got a buy. Thank you.